Hi, my name is Amy and it's a great day here at ICI Homes. Today I'd like to tell you about one of our most popular floor plans, the Egret V, within Julington Creek's best kept secret Magnolia Preserve. This home, located at 732 East Dorchester Drive in St. Johns County, features 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, 3-car garage, as well as over 3,000 square feet of large open floor plan sitting comfortably in 1 story. The heart of this home, you will enjoy tons of natural light in the gathering room, and it's complemented by a gourmet kitchen and nook. This home sits on a preserve lot and is waiting for you to call it yours. Contact us to schedule your tour of this home today, and I look forward to helping you find the home of your dreams and hearing from you soon.